In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make this DIY hot cocoa bar. So if you want to find out, then just keep watching. The first thing that you're going to need are tags that tell you what is going to be in each jar. I made these myself on my Silhouette machine, but if you don't have that, you can just write out on tags or you can buy some pre-made tags on Etsy. I will link some down below for you guys. And then you're going to need your favorite mini marshmallows. You're also going to need mini candy canes. I got these from Dollar Tree and regular ones from Walmart. I also got these plastic straws from Walmart. They were like $2. Some ground cinnamon, I got this from Target, and peppermint syrup from Walmart. Some Pirouette cookies, I actually got these from the Dollar Tree, and you're also going to need some variety of sizes of mason jars. I got these from Michael's, and then these little guys are also from Michael's to put smaller things in. You're also going to need some form of string or twine, and this is what it looks like when I have the tags on and the string. Really cute. And then here I'm just showing you guys how I tie the string onto the jars. It's really simple, obviously, but I wanted to show you because this was a part of the process to make the hot cocoa bar, and I kind of just had fun tying little bows onto the jars. So this is the straw jar. That was kind of hard to say. So I'm just taking the straws out and pouring these all in. And I do reuse these. I just like put them in the dishwasher and keep on using them. And just want to show you guys, you can also use the reusable stainless steel straws. Jar is from Walmart, but they also have it at the Dollar Tree. It's a little shaker, and this is where I put the cinnamon in. Next we have the Pirouette cookie jar, and I actually bought a taller mason jar for these. I'm just filling up this little jar with chocolate chips, and I like putting these in my hot cocoa for a more chocolatey taste. I bought this pump top for mason jars from Michael's. I like really struggled with putting this thing on. It took me forever. I still don't think I did it right, but I love the idea of having syrup in a pump container. It just looks so cute. I love it. Next up is the marshmallow jar, and you can actually buy even smaller marshmallows than this. These are actually a little big, but I love marshmallows in hot cocoa. Then I'm showing you guys how I did my crushed peppermint jar. This is so much fun. So I just took my kitchen scissor and I just started hitting the mini candy canes and basically just crushing them until they were little bits and pieces. And this is like such a good addition to the hot chocolate bar because you can add it on top of whipped cream and it looks really pretty, especially in Instagram pictures. So just keep on chopping away. This is honestly just kind of therapeutic. So have fun with it and make them basically as small as you can. I don't like having the chunks too big because then they get stuck in your teeth. Then it is hot cocoa time. I bought these for $1 at Walmart, and then the Land O'Lakes packets, which are so good. I got those at the supermarket. They were a little bit more, but they are so delicious. So I'm just stacking those in my mug. The mug is from the Dollar Tree, and then I put the DIY Rae Dunn lettering on there. I made that with my Silhouette machine, and they came out so cute. And I'm just showing you guys how I Pour the packets in the jar, super simple, and you can also buy like a giant jar of hot cocoa powder. That might be easier. And that is the completed hot cocoa bar. I'm just giving you guys an overview of how it came out. The sign is from Target from last year, but they have so many of these signs now, so you can definitely find one. I absolutely love the way it came out. I love using it. Perfect for not just the holidays, but also just winter time. I'm going to keep this out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're going to make your own hot cocoa bar. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.